100 बनते हुए थोड़े से मुश्किल दिख रहे हैं बंगाल टाइगर्स के लिए। बोल्ड प्रिंस, दूसरा ओवर डाल रहे हैं प्रिंस। CCL T10 Blast powered by Bharti Cement। अब 100 का आंकड़ा छूने के लिए भी 6 रन चाहिए। बची हैं 5 गेंदें और प्रिंस का पहला ओवर था जबरदस्त। एक ओवर में 7 रन, 2 विकेट, 2 सेट बैट्समैन को आउट किया और उसके बाद बिल्कुल जैसे ब्रेक्स लग गए बंगाल टाइगर्स की इनिंग्स में।
बहुत बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी। पिछला ओवर देखा प्रिंस बिल्कुल सटीक गेंदबाजी करते हुए, कोई मौका नहीं दे रहे इंद्रशीष। हालांकि बड़े स्ट्रोक्स के लिए जाने जाते हैं, तो याद है 2 सीजन पहले एक बहुत बेहतरीन पारी खेली थी इंद्रशीष ने। और आज जब अभी अभी आए हैं, थोड़ा संघर्ष कर रहे हैं, थोड़ी सी मूवमेंट में मिलती हुई। अगर आप देखें थोड़ा सा गेंद ने टप्पा खाने के बाद कौन बदला, हल्का सा। 2 विकेट अब 7 रन दे के प्रिंस द्वारा।
किसी भी पोजीशन में नहीं थे उस शॉट को खेलने के लिए। रन जरूर मिला, खाता खोला इस सिंगल के साथ इंद्रशीष ने।
अच्छी वापसी। और ये देखिए जो टॉर्च है कैसे इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, और खासकर जब आप बड़े स्क्रीन पे आते हैं ना, वो उत्तेजना बढ़ जाती है।
सैंडी स्ट्राइक पे 3 बॉल्स रहती हैं इस इनिंग्स के अंदर। और रन्स मिलेंगे किसी भी तरह आए, रन्स चाहिए इस समय बंगाल टाइगर्स को। लेग बाइज का इशारा अंपायर का, खाते में बैट्समैन के वो रन नहीं गए।
जी हाँ, बहुत कठिन नजर आ रहा है। जब यूसुफ थे, उदय प्रताप थे, तो बाउंड्रीज आ रही थी, बड़े बड़े शॉट लगा रहे। देखिए कैसे कितनी उत्तेजना है, कितने उत्साहित नजर आ रहे हैं तमाम लोग जो आए हैं। होम टीम खेल रही है तेलुगु वॉरियर्स। बच्चे हो आप थोड़ा सा बाउंड्रीज देखना चाहते हैं।
कैच them young, watch them grow, अजय।
Very true. That should be a wide. Deserting in his line. The right call from the umpire. Joy not very happy with that. He knows they've lost their way, especially in the last couple of overs. The last boundary came 15 deliveries back. It's been a long time when the last boundary came for the Bengal Tigers.
Another dot ball again. There was movement away from the off stump. Indrashish just swinging and connecting only with thin air.
That's the reason I think he's missing, because he's trying to play on the onside. As you mentioned, there's a bit of movement as well. Just getting a hint of movement on that occasion. He's got to play up with the tide. Probably the better option would be just playing on the offside. More chances of meeting the ball. He's trying to play up in the direction of mid-wicket. Just see the crowds in large numbers now. A lot of stands are getting filled in. The last ball, missing it as well. And that is going to be a run out. Another wicket falling. What a comeback by the Telugu Warriors. They've done a remarkable job on the field. They've bowled well, and they have come back in this game very strongly.
97 for 4 in their 10 overs. Prince, the star as far as the bowling effort is concerned. 2 overs, 2 for 9. That dropped catch by Akhil, the captain. One thought it'll prove to be very expensive and they'll be chasing in excess of 100. But that's the last delivery of the innings. Smart thinking by Harish, the keeper. Didn't try and underarm the throw. Knew he could outrun Sandy and run him down to the stumps. Takes the bails off. Sandy disappointed. The Bengal Tigers camp disappointed. And rightly so. I think they've missed out on a great opportunity to post the first 100+ total in CCL T10 Blast.
You're right. I think that pair, Yusuf and Uday Pratap, did a wonderful job. 42 for Uday Pratap, 28 for Yusuf. Just lost the way in the last few overs. At one stage, they were looking good for 120, 125. 97 for 4 in 10 overs, 5 extras. Joy, the captain, out for 17, but a few batsmen getting stars. And that partnership between Yusuf and Uday Pratap was very valuable for the Bengal Tigers. Smash number 3. 2 wickets for Prince. He was exceptional. Nanda touch expensive. Qayyum also doing a very good job. Very economical. Didn't pick up a wicket, but 2 overs, 7 runs. And Sachin as well picking up 1 wicket for 32 runs in his 2 overs.
It's a huge partnership for that second wicket. Take a look at the highlights of the game. Remember, Bengal Tigers had won the toss, elected to bat first. Streaky boundary right at the start of the innings. A couple of big blows down the ground. Joy was showing a lot of aggressive intent.
Yeah, played some good shots, but in the end, the spinner came in. The spinner got his wicket as well. Sachin Joshi with an important breakthrough early on. Joy as the first man out. Then, of course, Yusuf and Uday Pratap had a wonderful partnership. Both of them were really complementing each other. Played some lovely shots all around the park. They were really getting those boundaries, improvising as well at times, waiting. And some good batting at that stage. Bengal were looking the region of even 115, 120 to see the lusty hitting coming. Yusuf looked in very good touch, batted well in the first game. And Uday Pratap also was in song. Some clean hitting coming from him.
67-run partnership is what we saw for that second wicket between Uday Pratap and Yusuf. This time Uday Pratap being the more dominant, but a wicket going down, and that was a double wicket over from Prince. He got the 2 set batsmen out. That was the second one. Got rid of Yusuf as well. Yes, bang, bang, bang. You were on target, man. And an excellent final over and a run out of the last ball of the innings.
Yeah, that was Sandy who had to go back, run out, but the last 3 overs were really exceptional from the Telugu Warriors. And that's the reason they have come back very strongly in this game. So let's go down to Vineet, who's ready for the Carbon Kamal catch.
Thank you very much, Ajay. I'm with the superstar, the apple of everyone's eye, Akhil Akineni. Akhil, how does it feel to be adored and surrounded by such loving fans and yet put up your best performance?
Superb. Thank you, Hyderabad, for your support. Thank you very much. It feels great. They always come and support us.
Okay, let me also remind you that if you want to speak and if you want to hear from Akhil on Twitter, all you have to do is just send him a message at Akhil Akineni 8 and he will send you a customized reply back. Remember, his movie Hello is about to come, and right now we're going to play Carbon Kamal catch, and those are the guys, those are the fans who will be gunning for that catch. Good luck, guys. Let the games begin. That's a Kamal catch. Congratulations. Well, that was almost a catch. Hard luck. There you go. Do a little bit of running and there you go. Good catch. That's the kind of catching we need to see. Good luck, Akhil. Good luck for the chase. I believe you're opening. What are your thoughts about the total?
Big score. 97 is a big score. It's more than 12 for us. So
Thank you and good luck, Akhil. Thank you and good luck.